Alright YouTube, welcome to another video. Well, today I just discovered something quite cool. So everyone knows about this small pipe chanter. So, take it off. This is what it normally sounds like. I'm going to put it in the bag. Tune the pipes. Normally these pipes play in the key of A, which is what they're made to play in. So that, I know they're out of tune right now, but there we go. That is my A chanter for my small pipes. But I want to show y'all something really cool. So what a great way to kind of present that a little bit. Now, if I can find where I did my reed cap, I'll be able to put my chanter back together. And what I want to show y'all is, oh, there it is. There's my reed cap. What I want to show y'all is I actually took the Fraser reed out of my practice chanter and put it in my other practice small pipe chanter because I kind of want to improve the sound of my practice chanter. So here's my practice chanter now. Sounds more in tune with highland piping. So there we go. Now I'm going to take this the mouthpiece off the practice chanter, and I actually did this, tested it out, and it actually works well in the small pipe stock. So we're gonna take the mouthpiece off of the chanter. We're gonna situate this reed back down in there a little more. This is actually the reed that came with the small pipe chanter. It actually makes the chanter sound a little more quieter too. So that's actually kind of cool. And now it sounds like highland pipes. Let's go ahead and put it in the chanter stock. The chanter is going to be a little bit bigger than the stock, but it actually works. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hopefully I can see that. I'll try and aim it in a little more. So right there, I'm putting it into the stock. Very wedging it in there. And now, it's tight because there's no hemp joint on that practice chanter, so that's actually kind of cool. Now, not only does my small pipe play in A, but guess what? It now plays in highland bagpipe tuning. So now I'm able to play my highland bagpipes, except with mouth-blown Scottish small pipes. So I actually find that really cool. I need to go ahead and tune this chanter a little bit more because I need to get my G in tune, and I need to get my high G in tune, and as well as my low F. Well, I should say regular F. But there we go. There is my latest. I'm going to start doing that in conjunction with my regular small pipe chanter. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.